Okay, welcome back. We're moving on to chapter 18, which is the area and volume section of your course, and it's on page 480, and this will be on section 18.1, which is perimeter and area of triangles and quadrilaterals. So we're taking that down. Okay, so we're just being reminded, and I'm going to give you definitions as well as formulas of what a rectangle is. So a rectangle is a quadrilateral with 4 right angles. Okay, a square is a rectangle with all sides equal. Okay, a parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides parallel. A triangle is a three-sided polygon. A polygon is a closed 2D shape with straight edges. Right, so we know what we're talking about. We have formulas there that we'll be using over and over again. The area of a rectangle is length by width. The area of a square is x squared. The perimeter is 4x, and the perimeter is 2 times the length plus the width, or 2 times the semi-perimeter. Okay, in a triangle we have half the base by the height for the area, and in a parallelogram we have the base by the height. Okay, and again the perimeter is double the half perimeter. Okay, a trapezium is a quadrilateral with 2 parallel sides. Now they have to be opposite because they couldn't be parallel and be adjacent. Okay, and our area is given in the tables anyway, but you have it here, and it's in the tables as well for the trapezium. Okay, here it is, and I'm going to show you why that is the case. Okay, so basically if we have a parallelogram, trapezoid, so let's just make a trapezoid for ourselves. Okay, and let's extend the sides to one side. Okay, so, and we'll call the bases A and B, and I'll just get rid of the construction lines to the left. Okay, so we'll take our compass and we will start here and extend A out this way. Sorry, wrong. I'll take A and move it out this way. Okay, and I'll take B, the length B, and I'll move that out this way. Okay, now let's join them up. And now what we have is that this is parallel to this. So we have created a parallelogram which has double the area. Okay, now if we look at the parallelogram formula, is that the formula for a parallelogram is the area is the base times the height up here. Sorry, it's off picture. The base times the height, but our base has become A plus B. So the total area here, or the double area, is equal to A and B, and then we have B and A. So we have the base, which is A plus B times the height. So the area of a trapezium is equal to the average of the two bases, the mean of the two bases times the height. Okay, we have that formula in the tables here. Okay, reminded of the theorem of Pythagoras, but I want you taking your set square from your construction kit, and we're going to arrange always as it is in 16 because that's where Pythagoras' formula is. So I just need to remember, it sounds silly, but just for consistency, I'm going to put my set square facing this way when I'm doing Pythagoras. So this won't form an L, it'll form a backward L. Okay, and just the reason I'm doing that is just so that I can go start here and work your way around clockwise, A, B, C. So it's the exact same as it is in the tables, A, B, C. Okay, and our theorem of Pythagoras is that C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So if we want to calculate the hypotenuse, we can take the square root of the sum of the two legs. Remember, an angle has arms and a right angle triangle has legs. Okay, but if we want to calculate the length of a leg, such as A, we would be going the square root of C squared minus B squared. So you use a difference when it's a leg, and you use, for the hypotenuse, you use a plus. Okay, so we're going to do all the examples from the book from now on. So here we have example 1, and I'll just sketch it. We have a 12, a 20, and a trapezoid with a height of 11. Okay, so we're asked to find the area. Go to the tables and take the formula, and the formula is here. So we'll write down the formula: A plus B over 2 times the height, and now we're going to sub in all the values, which is 12 plus 20 over 2 times 11. Okay, and that is 32 over 2 times 11, which is equal to 16 times 11. Quick little trick here: 1, 6, 1 and 6 is 7. So that's the area squared. Okay, and we're on to the exercises. Okay, so I'm going to do the even numbered questions, and I might set odd for you, but we'll just call it, and I'll do that in the next video, which will be called, I'll call it 81 tt2 I don't know what I'm going to call it. Anyway, as always, it'll be some system which you'll find easy to understand. As always, I will see you in the next one.